In this video, we will see how to implement a NOR gate using CMOS. In the previous video, I have seen NAND gate. So let us draw that. So as I have said, one thing you need to remember, if it is nmos, you just remember this one, then the other one is the opposite. For nmos, dot is there or multiplication is there, then this will be your series, and if addition is there, this will be your parallel. So just keep in mind this thing, then we can do it. So NOR gate means what? NOR gate means A plus B bar. Okay. So if A plus B bar is there, then what I need? I need a parallel connection between A and B. So first to do that in the below side. So I will take one MOSFET here, which is N type. So the arrow symbol will be inside and it will be grounded. Again to this one input is there, so great. I will take another MOSFET here. So how to connect? nmos, so plus is there, that means I have to connect it in parallel. So I will connect in parallel. So I am drawing it here parallel to that. This will be grounded and one gate will be here. So this is my drain, this is my source, in this case drain and source. Okay. So next is they are connected in parallel, means these two drains are connected. So that is what mean the parallel is. And below you can connect these two grounds. This all also you can connect, and you can draw one ground as well, but this is also no problem. Okay, then this is for, let's say this is Q1 and this is Q2, and these are my nmos. Okay. So these two are my nmos. Next is for pmos. As I said, exactly opposite to whatever you have done for the nmos. That means it will be in series. So I will have two pmos here. So for pmos, this side will be your source, which will be connected to positive. This is source, this is drain, and series with another pmos. So this is outside. This will be your drain, this is source, drain. Here one gate will be there and here the gate will be there. Okay, now this drain will be connected to this point, this drain. Okay, and here there is a gate and here there is a gate. Now the question is how to connect the A and B. So as I said, there are two inputs, one is A and one is B. So how it will be connected? So A will be connected to one MOSFET of P type, and it will also be connected to, so let me just replace the A point, so it will be EG. So let me just write A and B here. Okay. So how the A and B will connected? It will be connect one point to the PMOS and another point to the NMOS. Similarly, so B will be connected one to the PMOS and another one will be connected to your NMOS. Okay, and from where the output has to be taken? So output will be taken from common point of the both the gates, both the PMOS and NMOS. So this is drain here, this is drain here. So the common point here or here. So wherever I can take, I will take the output from here. Remember, so this one is your PMOS and this is your NMOS. So this is the combination of both PMOS and NMOS. So in the next video, I will discuss how to implement Boolean expression using PMOS or NMOS or CMOS.